Are you ready for another tech corner? I am. Most pultrusion profiles are used as is. The profiles don't need a separate coating, but they can be colored according to the customer's request, and they are fine for UV exposure. However, in some applications, for example buses and trains, the profiles will be painted. There are three possible options when you buy a profile from us. The first one is to get the profile without any coating. The profile can be either a smooth surface, ready for painting, or a sandable surface so that you can sand it to your required finish recommended by your paint supplier. You will then add a base coat and a top coat as per your preference. The second option is already base coated from factory, and this way you don't have to do so much preparation. You just need a light finishing and a top coat to finalize your coating. The third option is for the profiles to be fully painted and ready for installation. In the end, it is your preference, but we will be here to help you find the right solution. And that's a wrap! Thank you!